Hi, good morning. Now, what we're going to do is, or what I'm going to do is to teach you on how to process an order directly to your riders. Okay, so let's begin. I am on my dashboard now. Okay, go to transactions. From transactions, go to deliveries. And from here, go to add, and now you are already on this page where you can do a booking directly to your rider. And let's do one. The package is from me. Recipient is in Payong. Let's try this. San Juan, Mexico. Okay. Next, you need to, so you will see here the distance, the duration, and the price. So you can tell the buyer or the sender or the recipient for the price ahead of time. And then select rider, who is the rider nearest the pickup station or the pickup spot or pickup whatever. Okay, then you need to choose who will be the rider who will pick up the product. So I'll choose this one since he's the one who's holding the item right now. Then the sender's information. Let me check. So sender's info. Oh no. Eileen Kunal. Mobile number, I'll just put in my number here since the item is already with the rider, so no need to call her. Recipient Emelita Torres. Mobile number is 0918 6655001. And then on the landmark, if you don't have any or you don't know it, just put in the exact address. So it's a Diamond Ville subdivision de la Payo, Arayat, Pampanga. And who will pay the delivery? It would be the recipient. Notes, you don't have to put anything here if there's no special instruction. And the item is clothing. If it is a cash on delivery, there is an additional fee of 40 pesos, as well as if it is an express delivery. So for this one, since it's already paid, I don't have to move this. Okay. If it is a cash on delivery, you need to put in the amount of cash on delivery. Like for example, if the item is worth 500 pesos, you need to put 500 pesos here, and it will be added for the total money to collect to the recipient. So it's not a COD. So I'll click get back. Okay, so it's all done. So I just need to click on book. Once it is book, it's the sender or the recipient who can cancel the booking, or the rider itself. But on our end, we cannot do it. Okay, this one I'll not be scheduling it for now because it might not be processed, or it might not be accepted by the rider later kasi may limit yung hours sa pag-booking, maximum of 2 hours. Okay, so that would be all. Thank you very much.